Today I'm replacing the rear wheel bearing on a 2015 Audi A8. Just thought I would talk about it and give a quick tip as far as how to do this without removing the entire suspension. It's pretty much the same job as doing a front wheel bearing. It's pretty easy to do. You just get the rotor out of the way and then you have access to it. The backside here, you can see that there's these bolts are pretty much, they're all accessible, all four of them. The top ones you can get to with a short little extension, and they're all triple square, 12 millimeter triple squares. But this one here is kind of blocked by the lower control arm. So what I found is, even using a universal socket from up here, and I just haven't found a really good solution to it other than this. This little bit here, I cut this down. It's about 1.5 inches long. It started off just being, it's just a cheap little triple square set that I bought from O'Reilly's or Advanced Auto Parts or something like that. Started off looking like this, and I cut it this size, and I can get this in there. The only way I can get a really good straight shot at it, I can sneak it in like this, and sometimes I can, using my left hand. And then I can get the back of that with a ratcheting wrench like this. So the long ratcheting wrench, I can get onto the back of that. Sometimes I put it on, together at the same time, and then I can get that right out of there. Doing it any other way, you're gonna hit that arm and it's gonna be cocked, and you're likely to strip it out. With this, you can get a straight shot at it, and you can get it loose. So you want to replace that bolt. The new bolt comes with Loctite on it. One kind of problem with this is you can't really torque it the way that you should. You can get to all the other ones and torque those ones correctly, but you can tighten this to the point where it's not going to be a problem. You'll get a feel for it once you torque the other bolts, and that's it. So definitely you're going to need a long box end wrench to tighten that and loosen that. You're not going to want to use a standard wrench, because you need to get quite a bit of torque on it. But so if you're doing one of these and you don't feel like taking all of this apart, here's your solution. Thanks for watching.